So, how does climate-controlled storage work? At Arcos storage, these units regulate both temperature and humidity, creating a stable environment for your belongings. That matters when you're storing items that don't handle extreme conditions well. Things like electronics, antiques, photographs, documents, or even wine collections. By keeping the air from getting too hot, too cold, or too damp, climate control helps protect against warping, cracking, mold, and corrosion. That means your wooden furniture won't swell, your electronics won't short out from condensation, and your keepsakes won't fade or stick together over time. In short, climate-controlled storage gives your most valuable items the extra care they need to last. Ready to give your belongings the safest home outside your home? Visit www.arcostorage.com today and see how our climate-controlled options keep your treasures protected year-round.